Buying the best omelet pan doesn't need to be complicated. After days of research using my culinary experience, I have a pretty good idea of what makes a good omelet pan. So, without further ado, here are the products that made my top 5 best omelet pans list. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the most up-to-date prices for each of the products. If you're looking for the perfect pan to whip up fluffy omelets, then the Alva Maestro frying pan might be your new kitchen bestie. This ceramic non-stick omelet pan comes in 3 handy sizes: 8 inches, 9.5 inches, and 11 inches. The ceramic coating is a game changer. It's PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE free, so you can flip those eggs worry-free. Plus, it's so slick, your omelets will slide right onto the plate, which is one reason why this top-rated omelet pan is so popular. Heat distribution is on point as well, thanks to the thick aluminum base. This means no more burnt spots or undercooked middles. Instead, your omelets will cook evenly from edge to edge, and you'll be able to taste the difference in every bite. Cleanup is straightforward too. A quick wipe with a soft sponge is usually all it takes. Just remember to keep the heat low to medium and skip the metal utensils to keep that non-stick surface pristine. Another advantage is that the straight sides give you extra cooking space, which you'll find perfect for larger omelets or frittatas. And the stainless steel handle stays cool, so you can maneuver your new pan with ease. And there's bonus points for versatility. This pan works on all stovetops and can even handle oven temperatures up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're searing, sauteing, or baking, the Alva Maestro has got you covered. If you want the best pan for cooking omelets, then the FINEX 10-inch cast iron skillet stands out with its unique octagonal shape. But this design isn't just for looks. It gives you more pouring options for your omelets and other dishes. That's why I rate it as the best cast iron omelet pan on the market. You'll love the ultra-polished cooking surface on this American-made cast iron skillet. It's pre-seasoned with organic flaxseed oil, so your omelets won't stick right from the start. The surface only gets better with use, developing a natural non-stick patina over time that makes cooking omelets feel a truly chef-like experience. Unlike cheaper alternatives, the skillet's thick base and walls distribute heat evenly. This means no hot spots, ensuring your omelet cooks perfectly from edge to edge. One standout feature is the spring handle. Made of stainless steel, it stays cooler longer than traditional handles. As a result, you can flip your omelet without reaching for an oven mitt. While it's pricier than some options at $200, the FINEX skillet is built to last a lifetime. It's not just an omelet pan, you'll use it for searing, baking, and more, making it excellent value for money. If you're looking for a top-notch stainless steel pan for your omelets, then the Heritage Steel Titanium Series 12-inch fry pan is definitely worth considering. This stunning USA-made pan is built to last with its 5-ply construction. But this isn't just your ordinary steel pan that you can get at the store. The cooking surface is made from 316 Ti stainless steel, which includes titanium and molybdenum. What does that mean for you? A super durable, non-toxic surface that can handle whatever you throw at it. The heat distribution is absolutely excellent thanks to the aluminum core sandwiched between layers of American-made stainless steel. As a result, your omelets will cook evenly from edge to edge, making them taste that much better. Now, here's a nifty feature. The pan is induction compatible due to its magnetic outer layer. So, no matter what type of stovetop you have, this pan's got you covered. And if you're worried about using metal utensils, don't be. While wooden or silicone tools are recommended for everyday use, this pan can handle metal when needed. Just be gentle and avoid super sharp edges. Cleaning is a snap too. While it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to keep it in tip-top shape for years to come. As one of the absolute best omelet pans on the market, it's not the cheapest option out there. But considering its quality construction and lifetime warranty, it's an investment in your culinary future. If you're looking for a non-toxic pan to whip up perfect omelets, then the Xtrema signature skillet is where you need to look. This 100% ceramic pan is free from metals, coatings, and harmful chemicals, making it an immensely popular choice among health-conscious cooks like myself. You'll love how evenly it heats, retaining warmth long after you've turned off the stove. No more cold spots ruining your omelet. The shallow sides make flipping a breeze, while the smooth surface helps prevent sticking with proper oiling and preheating. Versatility is key with this skillet because it's oven safe, microwave friendly, barbecue grill compatible, freezer safe, and dishwasher. And if you're worried about the durability of an all ceramic design, don't be. This Xtrema skillet is scratch resistant and chip resistant, so it's no wonder that each skillet comes with a 10-year warranty. It's built to last and can become a family heirloom. Cleanup is super simple as well. Just wash with hot, soapy water or pop it in the dishwasher. Unlike with other options, there's no special care required, making your life easier. With 3 size options, you can choose the perfect fit for your omelet needs. Plus, the sleek design means it can go straight from stovetop to table. So, what is the best pan for omelets that you can get? In my opinion, the HexClad 12-inch hybrid fry pan is the best omelet pan available. This spacious pan gives you plenty of room to fold and flip those eggs with ease. The secret sauce? HexClad's unique hybrid technology. You get the best of both worlds: stainless steel for even heating and a non-stick surface for easy release. No more scraping stuck-on eggs off the bottom. You can really understand why it's the best non-stick omelet pan on the market. No wonder household names like Gordon Ramsay have enthusiastically endorsed it as the best in the business. Here are some standout features that make it the best non-stick omelet pan. It has a tri-ply construction for quick, even heating. HexClad included a stay cool handle for comfort and safety. The pan is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's completely dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. It's also metal utensil safe. No more babying your pan. You'll love how versatile this pan is. Omelets are just the beginning. Sear steaks, saute veggies, or even bake a frittata. The possibilities are endless. The 12-inch size is perfect for family meals or cooking for a crowd. Whip up a big batch of scrambled eggs for brunch or cook multiple portions at once. You'll wonder how you ever manage with a smaller pan. That said, you can get this same top quality omelet pan in 4 other sizes: 7 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, and 14 inches. So, no matter how big or small you like your omelets, or how many people you're cooking for, there's a HexClad pan made in the perfect size for you. Plus, you can get all those pans with or without lids, giving you even more customization options for your new omelet pan. So, those are the best omelet pans on the market today. You can't go wrong with any of these products, but depending on your budget and preferences, you'll probably have a couple of standout picks for your favorite omelet pan. Let me know in the comments which product is your favorite. If you found this omelet pan reviews video helpful, please give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe even consider subscribing as well.